Runaikids. Please like, share and subscribe.
In linguistics, the nouns can be classified into two main categories based on their number: countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns. These nouns refer to substances, materials, or concepts that cannot be counted. Examples: water, air, music, happiness. Countable nouns. These nouns refer to objects or entities that can be counted. Examples: chair, book, car, apple, etc. Countable nouns are classified into two groups: singular and plural. Singular noun. A singular noun refers to one person, place, thing, or idea. It is used to describe a single entity or unit. Examples: cat, book, city, teacher, pen. Plural noun. A plural noun refers to more than one person, place, thing, or idea. It is used to describe multiple entities or units. Examples: cats, books, cities, teachers, pens. There are various rules to make plural from singular, but some common rules along with examples are as follows. Rule 1. Add s to the singular noun, like cat, cats, dog, dogs, book, books, chair, chairs, table, tables, pen, pens, pencil, pencils, car, cars. Rule 2. Add es to singular nouns ending in is, ch, sh or s. Branch, branches, bus, buses, watch, watches, dish, dishes, brush, brushes, fox, foxes, kiss, kisses, success, successes, address, addresses. Rule 3. Add ies to singular noun ending in y. City, cities, baby, babies, lady, ladies, party, parties, fly, flies, candy, candies. Rule 4. Change the singular noun ending in f or fe to ves. Wolf, wolves, life, lives, knife, knives, wife, wives, shelf, shelves, thief, thieves. Rule 5. Irregular plurals. No specific rule applies. Man, men, woman, women, child, children, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice, deer, deer, sheep, sheep. Rule 6. Plurals of compound nouns. Bookshelf, bookshelves, toothbrush, toothbrushes, mailbox, mailboxes, firefly, fireflies, birthplace, birthplaces, workplace, workplaces, marketplace, marketplaces, playground, playgrounds. Rule 7. Plurals of nouns ending in us. Cactus, cacti, fungus, fungi, nucleus, nuclei, syllabus, syllabi, radius, radii, stimulus, stimuli, bacillus, bacilli. Although there are several rules of making plurals from singular, we have just discussed some important and easily understandable rules only.